Hey everyone, in this short video tutorial I will show you how to read Messenger messages without being seen. Just watch this video till the end and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. Video reading Messenger messages without the seen status can be a preference for users who value privacy and wish to take time to formulate a response. Many people wish to maintain their privacy and avoid the pressure of immediate responses. Fortunately, it is possible to read Messenger messages without being seen. Follow the step-by-step guide to learn how to read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. The first step is to open the Facebook Messenger app on your smartphone. Once you are inside the Messenger app, locate the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on it. Within the menu. You will see a settings icon. Tap on it to access your Messenger profile. Now scroll down until you find the Privacy and Safety option. Tap on it to proceed. Now under the What People See section, you will find an option called Reg Receipts. Tap on it to access the R Receipts settings. Finally, disable the toggle button next to Show R Receipts. This will prevent others from knowing when you have seen their messages. And that's it. You can now read your Messenger messages without being seen, enjoy your enhanced privacy, and respond to messages at your own pace. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below.